Bless the Lord in all his ways. I'm about to have some cornstarch. Let's see what this hitting on. Boom.
I could see it being, a spare shelf that the previous owner took out and never put back or something.
Never put it back in.
I'll get a little bit. I don't want to eat too much.
Don't snort it.
What y'all doing? Don't do that. You'll miss
It's good.
the lungs.
My mama think I'm. Mama, I don't touch that white powder now. I don't touch that white powder. Do you hear me?
It's that good non-GMO kind. Yeah, okay. Put that up. Stop eating that. That's what's gonna keep you up.
It's chalky. Mm-hmm.
That ain't good to be up all night. It's hard and stuff.
Last scoop, last scoop.
You eating it?
Cornstarch. Like a weirdo.
Look at Nick's sister looking at her.
You like cornstarch, girl.
Don't do that.
I've been wanting to taste that cornstarch for a minute. Today is Friday, May 16th, 2025. Gage and I are headed to my aunt's so that we can wash clothes. We have to do this every week. Have to wash all our stuff because we currently don't have anywhere of our own to wash our clothes. So thankfully my aunt is allowing us to come over and get our stuff done. And the last time that I talked to you, it was probably back in February when I released that video. Anyways, and here we are. Hey. I am not taking your picture, ma'am. I'm over here vlogging, first of all. Get to the YouTube checks, you know, the YouTube big bags. Oh my God, speaking of big bags, this laundry bag. I got one. Oh my God, it's heavy. I'm vlogging. Gotta put some content on my YouTube. For you, Mama, and Uncle Frank. 100 pounds? Oh my gosh. How much is it? About $12.85.
What about the 40 pounds? How many loads you got?
Alright, the clerk was so nice. She gave me a promo code so I could save money. And I actually got a free $15 card. And then my aunt about to go get the same card. So I'm gonna have $30 to do my laundry with. And that's exactly what I needed. Check me out. That's what I'm saying. Blessings on blessings on blessings. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Next. So I ended up coming here as a change of plans because I was trying to hurry up and finish all this laundry. What I'm gonna do is wash everything here and probably take it to my aunt's so it can dry. All right. I put like 3 laundry pods in Gage clothes, 2 laundry pods in my clothes, and this washer, since it's got like towels and sheets, it's about 4 pods in there. This one's gonna be the most expensive, so Val card will go on this one. Cool, cool, cool. Getting everything done. Oh, and I put baking soda in there. Thank you. I got you. She said do a Google review. Okay. It's nice in here too. Let me show you. As soon as I finish this I'm gonna show you. This one.
Thank you very much. Yes. That was easy.
Alright, so this is where you come get your card. Boom, boom, boom. And you can enter the promo code that the lady just gave me so I got 2 $15 cards. You heard? Oh, and I'm going to sync my phone with the machine any minute now, as soon as I come back. Okay. Oh, they got Wi-Fi. Gonna put you some cards down. So yeah, this laundromat is really nice. Very clean. Brand new. This is a 60-pound washer. I'm using 240s and 100. I probably could have did the 60. And the little teeny tiny 20s. How little they are. So tiny. Yeah, machines for detergents. I forgot one more thing. Then I'm coming back to them. They even got like vending machines. So, you know, if you're a vendor, it'd be really wise to connect with some new businesses that's popping up in the area. So you can go ahead and get your stuff in these machines. They got eggs.
$7.85.
This thing's pretty so long. I only got 4 minutes. Okay, so now I'm back at Val's house and I'm about to meal prep some meat. Shout out to Val's house for having a working stove so we can actually prepare our food. So you see me laying out the lamb, and this lamb has been marinated overnight, so it's going to be extra delicious. And when I'm meal prepping or when I'm making food in general, I like to use gloves because I don't like meat getting under my nails. And I'm so excited because I have Sonic Ice. I am addicted to Sonic Ice. I got that sack on me, baby. So putting the meat in the pan, wrapping it up, putting it in the stove real quick. Boom. Alright, so next I'm going to put on a fresh glove and I'm going to go ahead and open the next pack of meat. Just moving it down so it makes it easier for me to cut. And this is steakhouse beef tri-tip. Gage and I had tri-tip at Texas Day Brazil once, and we really liked it, so he'll get this for us every now and then. Okay, so now that everything is in the oven, I'm going to wipe the cabinets down and wipe my utensils down. And you'll notice my hair is loose, so when I take my twist down, I'm usually about to go wash my hair. I lost that footage, and I lost some footage from the other days throughout the week, but I just got to keep on moving and progressing, as always. These right here. These gummies right here, nigga. Ooh. Crack. This might need to come on. I'm out here burning up. Okay, it is Wednesday, May 21st. And all those clips that you were seeing were literally like last Thursday until now. I'm about to end this vlog so I can start a new vlog because I'm about to go pick up ingredients and like supplies to bake a cake for my little sister's graduation. So thank you so much for watching this far, and thank you so much for subscribing. Join the rich gang because it's the rich gang or no gang, period. You know what I'm saying? And I'm finally out of my apartment. Like, I've been saying that in so many videos. I need to get out of here. I need to get out of here. I need to get out of here. Like, there was mold in that apartment. It was making me sick. I was displaced for a long time. I wasn't really even getting to live in my own dwelling, but I was paying rent in my own dwelling for months and months and months. And then it just started to get more and more out of hand because maintenance wasn't ever coming to fix the issue. And then when I would report the issue, it actually escalated to me being forced to move, like almost an eviction, but not an eviction like going through court. Basically, the landlord was like, I'm not going to fix it. And we know that your unit is subsidized, and a subsidized unit has to be up to a certain standard of livability. So by default, you're going to have to move because the unit is not livable. So, you know, it was a long time coming. I do hate that I've been displaced for so long. I hate that since like February 2024, I haven't really had a consistent place of my own. I've been bouncing around, kind of sort of like couch surfing, going to Gage's house, my aunts, my mom's, then finally getting to go back home for a little bit in 2024. And then the beginning of 2025, boom, I'm back out of there just like I was in 2024. I'm going to keep it moving. I'm going to keep it together. I'm trying to keep my mind right because so much has been going on that if I let my mind slip, I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to say what I'm going to do. But just know I got to keep it together. So thank you so much for watching. My name is VANEZIA. And as always, when the waves of life throw sand at you, make a pearl.